If you want to learn an easy and quick technique for your art journal or mixed media background, then this video is for you. Hi everyone, Lekhana here and welcome to my art channel. Today I am making a very quick and easy background. Here I have a mixed media paper which is 5.5 by 8.5. I have cut this from this A4 size booklet. Then I took a piece of paper to make a cutout. Make sure your paper is not too thin. Then with the HB pencil, I drew an outline of clouds and cut the outline with scissors. I learned this technique when I was in school, so if any of my school friends are watching this, then let me know in the comment below if you remember it. Using the same pencil, I added shading to the cut outline, making sure it was fully covered and dark to my liking. I was happy with the shading. I placed the paper on top of the mixed media paper and took a makeup cotton pad to transfer the pencil shading onto the mixed media paper. You also could use a ball of cotton or a piece of cloth for this. Wanted the look to go from darker to lighter shade, but you could add more shading to your outline between each transfer. Of the page stood out, so I rubbed the makeup cotton pad onto the paper to give it a bit of shading. Then I used a brush to remove any cotton thread left behind on the paper. To seal the paper, I used Multimedium by Ranger, which has a matte finish. It is waterproof and dries clear, so this will seal the graphite and will allow me to use other color mediums like watercolor on top of this paper once it's fully dry. Here's a close-up look. Hope this video has been helpful to you. If so, then leave a comment below and give this video a big thumbs up. Remember to subscribe and press the bell icon so you don't miss my upcoming videos, as I upload 5 times a week. So until next time, keep experimenting with your own art style, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!